Hello friends, Happy to Kids are back. 2021.
I'm a caretaker and I'm a guide also. So for those people who have never been here, actually this is a big park. It is about 4.5 kilometers downwards.
Okay.
And then it is a forest composed of indigenous trees. And you will find that the most interesting areas, main feature are along the river, whereby we will have to go to the waterfall, start with the waterfall there at the river. From there we go downwards along the river to another very interesting area. We call it Bamboo site. Bamboo area, we have improvised that area in a way that there are forms to sit, there are good places to take photos, similar to the waterfall. And then from there, we will move with the trail all the way up again into the forest. Then from there, we walk around all the way to the center of the nature place, where we have the camping sites. The camping sites serve two areas. At the camping site, you can come there for a picnic, just like here. Bird watching tower. It was constructed a bit long time ago. That was from 1970. So when the two gentlemen, the two foreign researchers came, they requested the administration, because they found these birds were living here, overlapping on top of these trees. They requested the administration to build them a tall tower, which is this one. It has got stairs inside, the way you have seen it.
Okay.
So they were climbing all the way to the top, and because they were living, the hingos were living here as a group, with the help of their binoculars and cameras, they used to take a close photo and close view of those birds overlapping on top of these trees. So these birds, their research took about 10 good years, up to 1980.
Wow.
And then when they finished, they went back to America. And because these birds don't stay somewhere for many years, they hibernated to other forests. Okay. So they are no longer here. But within our nature trail, you can come across one or two, maybe moving from one corner to the other. But it's not necessarily that you can find it in a day. And again, our nature is very peaceful, and it's very safe. We don't have any dangerous animals. The only animals we can come across are the horned monkeys, and then the birds, and maybe digbigs, these small animals. So we are going to follow the trail to the waterfall. And this is the nature of waterfall, which is along the river Bangadi. River Bangadi comes all the way from Gonghi. It flows all the way through the Institute of Climate Research, through Bangadi Hospital, in that area. Then it joins Nairobi River all the way to Adi River in Machakos. This is cactus, one of our types of cactus trees.
The largest one.
Yeah. It is very big and fertile, because maybe where it is cool and it gets enough water. Our border now the one bordering our settlements there, our current settlements there. Our border is the River Magadi. It borders our settlements on the other side of the river, then to the institute. Bamboo trees. We normally call it bamboo tree. This is also an interesting area whereby even the youth come and sit down here. They can eat from here. They can do some kind of exercise, jumping, singing, any kind of exercise. Others also play football. And the others, they even put carpets along the bamboo trees, just underneath the bamboo trees, just to relax. And one can stay here for the whole day because of the fresh air, the flowing water, the bamboo kind of setup, all that kind of. So it's one of our picnic areas, and also we like it. So you can take photos. You will find that this rock here, the way it is, it was eroded by flooding river or by the flooding rains. Long time ago, when we used to have heavy rains, the river was touching, the river water was touching all the way to this rock. And then as time went on, it started eroding the rock, eroding the soil, all the way to, it was washed to the river. It developed a long time ago, during the time of colonial rule. You find that this cave is a bit extended inside. When we get inside there, it looks like a house. And the deeper we go, the dark it becomes. But whenever we normally go inside the cave, we are helped by our cell phones. We light up. We are just going to bend here in front, but when you get inside, you stand up. It looks like a house, a big Others are shrubs, aloe, aloe vera, which are very much used for treatment. Now this is the main camping. Why? You see, these are our wooden cultural stools. All these ones which are rounded. This bonfire is for basking over the night, or when you want to cook from here, there are those three stones we set up on that side for cooking. And this is the main camping. Why? That is a toilet, the one you can see over there. That's a toilet. At the center there is the bathroom. Be here, you have all the time.
Okay.
Up to 6. Okay. Up to 5. Or whenever you feel you are tired, you can now take off.
Wonderful time at Oloolua Natural Trail. Please subscribe and be part of the beautiful family. Take care and be safe, and always be happy and content in life. Bye.